The fuck? Did I just see that? You can hear the ice breaking. Look at it. It's shattering. What the fuck? Wow. You see it just happened right there. I got it on film. Oh. I gotta hear it now. What the fuck is that? What a phenomenon. That's what it is. See it? Expanding. It's bursting in the air and breaking. Wow. Exact perfect temperature, right? See how it's busting up? Flying into the air? Well, that big piece just buckled up right on camera. Right before the bus came across. Holy shit. What a phenomena, huh? Headed to the Navajo Tech game. Whoa. 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 This is a good time for me to tell this story. So, as water freezes, it expands. Big time expands. So, when the Mormons first got here, when they were building their temple, they'd go up Cottonwood Canyon, and in the summer, this is what engineers and craftsmen they were. They'd the size of the stone that they would need, stones, they would auger holes in the top of the stone. Auger and drill them down, by hand drills. Take a long time, but they'd do it. And then the wintertime, they would fill up with water and expand. And as they fill up with water and expand, it would crack and fracture the granite. What a phenomenon. And then it would roll down the mountain. Of course, they wouldn't be perfect, but then they go to work on it. What a phenomenon, huh? So the ice is expanding against itself and against these walls because it's cement now. Now, before, why is this phenomenon new? I'll tell you what. Because before, it wasn't cement. Over on this side. It's probably happened on this pool with cement before, but over there it hasn't because it was dirt. It was a natural wetland. So the natural wetland, when it pushes up against it, there's give. No give. So as it expands, pushing against these concrete walls, and then back in against itself, you can see it's actually fracturing as it's freezing. Oh, look, the F-16s, of course. Oh, wings, we will pretend all day, all night, 24/7. Sounds of military industrialized looters. What's he doing over there? Wow. That one bubbled up, that big one right over there, right as we were, right before the bus came on the video. Ducks. See what I mean? This is the time they come in. See them? What it used to look like behind my house. I do it every night for years and years and years. This is when they move. Look at them all moving. See the ducks diving? So it used to be my house by the hundreds of thousands of them. Until that mega welfare dairy drained them off. What a video. Don't fall in. I ain't going in after you. Way too cold. How about this ice popping? Something else, right? Wow. Yeah, I walked out here, I was like, what the hell's that noise? Yeah, it's cool. Really cool. Good physics lesson, right? Unbelievable. Yeah. Something else. What a view, huh? Look at them all. They're coming in from everywhere. It's that time of year. They're moving. Look at them all. Oh, oh. I used to, when I was a kid, be on my house every night. I'd be out there and just, look at them go. They're everywhere. Look at them all moving. Oh, holy shit. It's got to be about 100. There's not much open water. They'll get down in it. They're looking to rest and on their way to Mexico. Wow. Oh, incredible. Yeah, he was doing the same thing I was. He heard it. He's like, whoa. I don't know what kind of ducks they are. I can't see. They're not mallards, I don't think. Don't fall in. It's deeper than you think. It's pretty deep. I'm not going in after you. He might, but I ain't. Told you this is going to be a hazard. People don't know. They think it's just... Pretty cool. They know what they're doing. They're grown adults. Wow. What a sight that was, huh? So they come into these places like this. They know what they're doing. How about the star rising up over the Mount Ogden? Right? You see it? Can you see it? Oh my God, how beautiful. Wow. So they heard it and come out. What a phenomena, right? When I first walked here, I'm like, what the fuck is that? I thought maybe somebody's still working. They're on their way to Mexico, stopping to rest for the night. Oh, can they fly? Like, nah, not much water. Let's go up to the next one. Last one's. It froze up pretty tight. Wow. That's what exactly what it is. Keep it going. By the way, I was up to the library today. I'd never seen anything like it. And I'm on the sidewalk, and here comes a woman in a Mercedes. Holy shit. Right on the sidewalk. You can't drive on the sidewalk. I mean, driving right on the sidewalk, and what the hell? Damn near hit me. I'm like, what the hell? You can't drive on the sidewalk. Pulls right up to the front, the door, to the sidewalk. Gets out, goes her bag. There's a food bank in there. Goes into the food bank, fills her bag, goes outside, sits in her car for a bit, and off she goes. If you do it, I'm not putting it online. Some people are hungrier than others. What a phenomena, huh? Wow. It's cold. I think it's cold here. How would you like to be in Ukraine, going through that hell right now? Wow. That was beautiful. Quite a few of the mallards went in right there. A bunch of them, but a lot of them moved on. By the way, I'll be at the 12/12, the Mary Jesus ceremony at Old Town. I think they're going to do it this year. So cool. They do the traditional one with the real mule donkey. Excuse me, not mule, donkey. Wow. What a phenomenon, huh? She done? No, she's still popping. Said when I was a kid, I grew up on that incredible wetland behind my house in West River, the mega welfare dairy, the the human trafficker that backhanded the migrant worker for asked for his paycheck in the face, 300 pounds drained. I grew up on that. You should have seen it. Just like this, times 1,000, maybe times 5,000. Blow your mind. Don't mix the ducks with the geese. Still popping. Now if we just had some muskrats swimming around, huh? Wow. See you in San Diego tomorrow. Lawyer. Who do you think taught Utah how to destroy wetlands? The engineering firm 619 here. I'm not kidding. The original wetland destroyers. San Diego. The masters. You're gonna miss the game, no, I'm not.